How to create a form on Microsoft Forms. The very first thing you do is open up any web browser you have, and then on the URL bar, you're going to have to search for forms.office.com and hit enter. And once you've done that, you will be taken to this page right here. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. And here are some pre-made templates which will help you get your forms quickly. So if you want to create a survey, a quiz, invitation, or registration form, you could get started with this. So let's say if I just click on the survey form, it will open up a template right here. So click on this quick start with option. And then from here, you could just go ahead and start with some choices. So if you want options like, let's say, let's start with your gender, and you can add options here, man, woman, and then let's add another option. So prefer not to say. It will give you some suggestions itself. And then if you want this to make mandatory, you can click on this required button. Then you can add a new question. So let's say if you add a text here, let's just ask for the name. And now you could do this long answer. If you want, they will be able to add a paragraph to this. And the other options are date. You could add ranking selections. So let's say if I add rating, you could ask a question. So let's say, how was the food? Now you can give levels to this up to 10. Now you could also change the symbols. So as you can see, here are different symbols, but the star one is perfect. So I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm not going to make this required. And you can explore through other questions as well. So if you click on ranking, you're going to have to put a list of items here that to rank them. And once you do that, you should be able to publish this form. Now from here, you can head over to collect responses and then copy this URL. Now you can paste it right here so that people will be able to see this form. So I'm just going to paste this URL right here, and it will take me directly to this form right here. And as you can see here, people will be able to answer to all of these questions. That's it for this video. That's how you create a form on Microsoft. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.